also your performance as an organization. Like I was saying, right? Indians unfortunately do not have, in some places, don't have the reputation of being timely. So if you are timely, that can become a value proposition. The only difference is that you'll have to prove this in advance that you are timely. So your response rates, even to just a lead, to a communication, to a query, to of course to a complaint, all of those can also be there, right? So performance of your design team, performance of your coordination teams, performance of your sales teams can also be a part of this. Your production delivery timelines, all of these can be, so not just your product, but the way your business itself operates can come under the performance piece of it. The one thing I would like to highlight when you talk about price, it doesn't always have to be the lowest price. The fact that you are a premium price, you're demanding a premium price because you have a brand or a status or a risk reduction attached to this, can also be a value proposition for you. Okay, accessibility to you, your production team, your sales team, to your inventory. So if you have a warehouse at the customer's place, that is also accessibility, right? So that is there. Customization, if you are doing specific customizations for your customers, yes. Your own brand and status, and also the brand of some of your existing marquee clients will also be a value proposition. So if you go and tell, if you are manufacturing for other brands, and you say I'm already manufacturing for each of the existing brands, Zara does production in India, so I'm already doing it for Zara, then other brands who are similar to Zara will also see that as a value that you have, right? So the brand status doesn't have to be yours, it can also be on some of your marquee clients. Convenience, the fact that you, especially since we're in the export market, convenience is very important. Something as simple as the fact that when they are working, we are sleeping, and vice versa. That means there is always a communication time lag. Can we address that? In one of the sessions, somebody was saying, hey, we use a software, we use a small business SAP that takes care of all of this. Even when we are not there, they can just log in over there and get all the information about their orders. So that is also something that you can look at.